Hey, what's better than one, y'all? Nah. What's better than two, y'all? A triple up! YouTube fam. Well, what's good with y'all, man? We are back at the top of the week, man. The weekend festivities are over. Time to get it back in motion, although the motion never stopped, man. We are back at the crib, man. We was outside for a little bit, man. It got sold. Shout out to them, man. Shout out to my fam over at StockX for inviting me. A lot of y'all had a lot to say about that whole interaction, man. But really, just to be honest with y'all, I think the decision they made was the right decision. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know, or if you're uncertain, which I don't know either of those could have been a possibility, you just don't pass it, which I 100% respect, because I would hate for them to have, you know what I'm saying, went through with it and said everything was green lighted and, you know, they weren't sure. So better safe than sorry, man. So shout out to them, man. I'm not mad at that whole interaction at all. But a lot of y'all, like I said, y'all had a lot to say about that. But that's not here or there, man. We got to start it off on a positive note, man. Make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up, man. It's Monday, man. Y'all know the early week videos, pretty much all the videos, though, I need y'all engagement, interaction, man. But at the top of the week, y'all got to set the tone for the rest of this week, man. So make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Let's get over 1,000 likes within the first 24 on this one. I know we can do it, man. So if y'all watching right now, I need for y'all to go down real quick, hit that like button. And if you are not subscribed, man, welcome. If this is your first time checking out any of the videos, man, I need for y'all to stick around. Hit that subscribe button, man. I know June was a very slow month. Like it was a turtle race, you know what I'm saying? But we still grinded out content. We still did what we did. There wasn't too many on feeds, and I know y'all still probably hit me up about the black cement low on feed, man. I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I ain't gonna make that happen, bro. Y'all ain't even gonna watch that video, bro. I ain't gonna make it happen, man. Let me know. I mean, am I wrong? I mean, if y'all really truly want to see it, I might throw it on real quick in the crib or something, but I don't think I'm gonna go crazy with that one, because put my time into something else that y'all want to see. Maybe a Palomino on feet movie or something. Y'all might want to see that more, man. But that is all, not here, not there, you know what I'm saying? Let's jump into what I got to talk about today. I do want to talk about a pair of shoes. I do have two pairs. I have a pair of shoes that I'm about to show y'all real quick that I've wanted, y'all. I wanted for a little bit, man, and I reached out to y'all. I said, if y'all see this shoe, because I talked about it time after time on my channel, I said, if y'all see this shoe, y'all got them on sale anywhere. If y'all know anywhere that they're on sale, hit your boy Jay up, and I can't thank y'all enough for that, man. Y'all be putting your boy in the game, man. I be asking y'all, like, look, hey, if y'all see this here, y'all be hitting me up in my DMs and be like, look, you can get it here, XYZ, man. So I truly appreciate y'all for doing that, man. Like I said, I always go through my comments and I see what y'all say. So thank y'all for allowing your boy to get this shoe, man. Big shout out to my homie Shad. I was about to say shout out to him for plugging me in on this shoe. I did see it for a while. I wanted it, and I was like, I just don't want to pay retail for it. It's a shoe that I didn't want to pay retail for, but I do like the shoe, man. Let's go ahead and talk about this shoe. Yes, sir. Bang, man. So that shoe does come in a all over red Nike box. Size tag on this one reads Air Penny 2. Yes, man, Air Penny 2s. Color blocking is black, multicolor white, size 9, and I finally got my hands on them Penny 2. This way. Bang! Them Penny 2 patent leather joints, man. So I spoke about these shoes like months back, you know what I'm saying? Like down to when I made my trip to New York and stuff, I was talking about these shoes, and I was talking about how they're kind of familiar. Like, I mean, of course there's very big differences, but they're kind of the closest thing we're gonna get to the OG Penny 2s, the black pair, the black and silver pair. If you know, you know. And that is a pair that I wish that they would restock sometime soon, because I do want that pair. But this was like the closest thing to it. And what really sold it to me was when I seen them on feet. Offset had them on, and they was looking real good on feet. So I was like, I gotta get those in the collection, man. So bang, here we have them, y'all. The Penny 2 joints, man. A lot of people not really fans of these shoes. Like, this is not for your modern day sneakerhead, you gotta know something about these. You gotta know your history about pennies, penny ones, penny twos, and all that to kind of get into this type of shoe, man. But I was a fan, man. I had a pair of the OGs, the black pair, growing up. I never had the white and blue pair, which is another colorway I do want to see them retro, man. I'm just getting everything closest to those OG colors. I do have the social status, both colorways. I got the white social status colorway and I got the black colorway because, like I said, they kind of resemble both of the OG pairs, but they're not quite the OGs, man. But I'm getting everything close to the OGs since I can't get my hands on the OGs, and I think this is a nice shoe, man. This is a nice dope shoe. Put on with some just, you know, some basketball shorts or something, and just, you know, be calm, cool, casual. You know what I'm saying? So got these for, I paid $120 for them. However, I did see a link. Somebody sent me a link after I purchased these, and they were going for $99. I think they had like a 7.5 through maybe a 9.5 left, but that was like maybe a week ago now, so I don't even know if that's still available. But $100, man. These retail for $190 maybe, 180, 200, somewhere in that ballpark, man. And I think this is a good shoe in my opinion, man. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts on this penny 2, this OG looking colorway. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, the OGs don't have patent leather. There's different colors in different areas and all that stuff, but these are a good consolation prize in my opinion, man. So I had to go back and pick these up, man. So shout out to the homie for plugging me in on these and letting me get them for below retail, because this is one that I did want in the collection, man. But besides this, man, we gotta go take a trip to the sneakers app, man. Let's do that real quick. Bang! Yes, sir, man. Shout out to Nike and the Nike sneakers app, man, for the fast shipping, man. These dropped and I got them 2 days later. No expedited shipping, no extra stuff, just regular shipping, y'all. It came 2 days later, and I know somebody who got a pair from this same, you know what I'm saying, release the next day. They didn't do any next day shipping, but they got on the next day. And I'm starting to notice that it just depends on your location, because some people take 4 to 5 days for them to get their pairs. It just depends on where the shoe ships from and where you're located, because they do sometimes ship from Mississippi, they do sometimes ship from Tennessee, Memphis, you know what I'm saying? So it's a lot of different locations where the shoes do ship from. But yes, what's better than one? What's better than two? That triple up, dawg. Yes, sir. Bang, man. I ain't even gotta read no size tags. I ain't gotta. Y'all know what shoe this is, bro. You know, man. So recently we did get another shock drop or unexpected drop, or people knew about the drop, but I got the drop. You feel what I'm saying, man? We did get a release of this shoe, and this is pair number 3 in the collection for your boy. And like I said in the shock drop video, these are not for sale. Not for sale. No. This is a triple up, and this is here to stay in the collection. So not for sale. Size, you see it. It is a personal, man. Like I said when I was talking about these in my earlier videos, this is arguably the sneaker of the year. It is for quite a few people, but that is the Air Jordan 3. We got to take these all the way out. We got to look at the elephant print, man. So the Air Jordan 3, bang, reimagines, y'all. So here we got the Air Jordan 3 reimagines, which released a little earlier this year. And oh man, okay, hey, these looking a little okay. All right. Okay, let's look at them in the light, bro. I need to see the and compare. I need to see and compare real quick, man. So let me throw all this stuff to the side real quick so I can get a good look at these kicks. But what we got, man? What we got? Okay, we cool, man. We Gucci with these, bro. We Gucci. So maybe they did go through and sort out some pairs before they did do this release, man, because this is a pretty good pair right here, man. I don't really see any major differences or anything with these, man. So here they go, y'all. The Air Jordan 3 Reimagined. Bang! Triple up. Shout it. Let's get to them, man. So you see him right here, man. One of the big arguments with this shoe, a lot of people had issues with the elephant print, the inconsistencies of it. The only thing I can kind of say is kind of inconsistent with this shoe is, and it's not even that bad. It really, I mean, kind of, sort of, you know what I'm saying, is the elephant print. I mean, not the elephant print, but the leather quality. I don't know if y'all can make out the leather quality. It's a little more tumbled on this pair, man, but you're not gonna get an identical pair, man. So the little difference that's on that leather quality, I ain't tripping off of. You will not notice that when it's on my feet, man. But I gotta say that I did get a good, nice plush leather pair, man. Take a look at that leather, man. The waves through it. You see that? Nice plush pair, man. So I ain't mad at these. These are not my toe pair, of course. These might be someday, a couple years or so down the line, man. But this is a good shoe to have 3 pairs of, man. And I know a lot of y'all like, why you need 3 pairs, man? Hey, when you wear a shoe, you wear it in the ground, you want another one to just back it up and then back it up again after that, man. But yes sir, man, right here, like I did tell y'all, hey, if this is your sneaker of the year, I'm not mad at you, bruh. I only have, for now, 2 pairs of the SB Pine Green 4s, but who knows? A 3rd pair might be on the way. I mean, things come in 3s. What's better than 2? 3. But yeah, man, right here, y'all see them. Everything, all my bells and whistles is good. Take a look at the toe boxes on both. Like I said, this is a solid pair, man. Definitely a pair that I would take. You know, I would have no questions about taking this pair if I didn't own a pair, man. But yeah, man, your boy had to get these. And shout out to the sneakers app. Number 1 for the W. Number 2 for the fast shipping, bro. Like, they came fast, bro, man. So yeah, man, your boy has these. And yeah, I just wanted to show y'all these pickups that I got, you know what I'm saying, recently. Starting off the week with a little unboxing, man. I got some earlies on the way, man. And earlies, I don't know what's going on with them. They kind of slowing down. I don't know if it's an effect from the $7 million heist that went down in Torrance, California, but that ain't gonna stop your boy Jay, man, because retail stores still getting them. And long as retail stores getting them, I'm in business, man. So yes sir, these right here, must cop. Is it a triple up? I don't know, but it's definitely a double up worthy shoe, man. But for me, yeah, we gonna take 3, man. But that is it for this video, man. Truly appreciate y'all as always. Make sure y'all give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you ain't subscribed already. More content, more daily content on the way, man. So y'all stay tuned for tomorrow's video. And other than that, man, y'all stay blessed. We out with these joints in the pennies, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. Y'all be blessed, man. Your boy Jay is out. Peace.